Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Kela card. So first head over to kela.fi slash kela-card and you will be redirected to this page where you can see two options on how you can apply for a Kela card. First is you can do it by logging in to your Oma Kela e-service account. So just click on the login button and log in with your credential. Then once logged into your account, you should see an option where you can apply online. Another way is applying by filling out the form. So here you can see a link to the application form in PDF file, and all you have to do is click on this link, and here's what the PDF file looks like. So all you have to do is fill this out. Then once done, you can send the application by mail. And here you can see the address in which you can send it. You can also call the Kela's customer service number, so this is their number, for further assistance, and no fee is charged for the renewal of the card. Once the application is submitted, just wait for their response and update about your card. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!